In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Power BI. Whether you're aiming to build more robust reports or streamline your data flow, integrating these two robust platforms can dramatically enhance your workflow and decision-making process. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, begin by navigating to your Monday.com board. This board is essentially your workspace where all your tasks and projects are organized, and it's the base from where we will set up our connection. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the plus sign. This symbol is typically located within the interface, and it will allow you to add new components to your board. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This action is a doorway to numerous integrations and features that Monday.com offers, helping you expand its capabilities. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with various options, but for the task at hand, you're going to focus on the option labeled Apps. Click on Apps and prepare to delve into a whole range of additional functionalities that Monday.com can incorporate. Once you've selected Apps, direct your attention to the option titled Explore More Apps. This is usually prominently displayed and serves as a gateway to the application marketplace of Monday.com. Here you can find a wide variety of applications and tools designed to elevate your productivity. Click on Explore More Apps and you'll be directed to a new window showcasing a variety of applications. In the marketplace, you'll see a search bar. This is where you want to type in Power BI. Typing Power BI here is crucial because it will help you quickly locate the integration we're aiming to establish. Once you've typed it in, take a moment to look through the options and find the official Power BI app. Now, having located Power BI in the app list, it's time to select it. Clicking on it should bring up a more detailed view of the application. This detail includes its description as well as the features and benefits it provides when integrated with Monday.com. Take a brief moment to review these details so that you understand what this tool can achieve for your project management efforts. Finally, once satisfied with the overview and potential benefits, you're ready for the last step, installing the app. Look for the Install App button and click it to start the integration process. This step is where Monday.com and Power BI begin their collaborative journey, allowing these platforms to share data seamlessly. And there you have it, the essential steps to successfully connect Monday.com to Power BI. Once the installation is complete, explore the new data-driven dashboard possibilities this integration has opened up, allowing you to craft insightful, impactful reports.